What's up, you guys? I'm back. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, or how to do your eyebrows. This video is for all of you who have eyebrows that are more on the full, thick, or hairy side, because my eyebrows are not like thin to where you can't see them, and they're definitely not bald. Like they there, but they do need a little help and improvement. Let's get started. I'm about to zoom y'all in, put voiceover on. First thing I'm doing is brushing out my eyebrows and then grabbing some tweezers and tweezing out those little hairs that don't belong there. And to start filling in the eyebrow, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. It's actually my sister's, but it's okay. I'm getting mine soon. I promise. I ordered it. Alright, and this is the most crucial and important part. I'm taking a little small angled brush, and you're going to try to follow your natural eyebrow hairline, because if you don't, you will end up with a thicker brow, and that's what we want to try to stay away from. Since our eyebrows are already thick enough, we don't want to make them thicker, so try your best to stay inside of those lines and just fill in any gaps that you have. Now you just want to give them a little brush again to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. And honestly, you can stop here if you would like, because the eyebrow is already looking better than it was before. But if you do want to make it a little bit darker and, you know, give it a little more va va boom, then we're going to take some powder. So the powder that I'm using is by Kiss, and I'm going to also take an angled brush and dip it into the darkest shade just because my eyebrows are pretty dark. And what I'm doing is just going over where I see that I have lighter parts where the pomade didn't get to, or that, you know, it didn't look good. One thing I do want to say is try to stay at the tail of the eyebrow and not the front of the eyebrow, because later when we clean the eyebrow, it's going to help us get that nice ombre effect in the eyebrow. And honestly, just by those two products and those two steps, my eyebrow is looking better than what we started with. So now we're just going to clean it up a little bit to make it extra cleaner and crisp and cuter. So the concealer I'm taking is obviously the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand because I don't need that much. But what I'm going to do is basically outlining and going over the parts that it looks like it's uneven. Yeah, just have a steady hand for this part and clean your eyebrows up, girl. And also, I don't know if this is going to help anybody out, but any extra product you have left over, I suggest that you just bring it down to your eyelid and blend that out, because if you don't, you're going to see where the concealer is and it's just going to look awkward, you know. So yeah, just make sure to bring it down and blend it out. Alright y'all, so this is finally the final step, is to adding a brow gel. I recommend this e.l.f. one just because it's really cheap. Like, I'm talking, I think it was $1 or $2. Look at the difference in those eyebrows. Like, that definitely looks so much cleaner and prettier. But anyways, this is all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will try my best to post every week, but y'all, my life is so busy. Anyways, I love y'all. Have a nice and blessed day. Peace and bye.